Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we dive headfirst into the world of tech to help you make the smartest purchase decisions. Today, we've got a heavyweight showdown between two titans of the 3D printing world. On the left, we have the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, and on the right, the Creality K1C. Buckle up, because we're about to get into the nitty-gritty, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's get started. First up, let's talk speed. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max boasts a max speed of 500 millimeters per second with acceleration at 10,000 millimeters per square second. Impressive, right? But hold on to your filament, because the Creality K1C comes in hot with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and a jaw-dropping acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second. Reviewers have praised the K1C for its blazing speed, making it ideal for those who need quick prints without compromising on quality. Now, size does matter. The Kobra 2 Max flaunts a massive printing size of 16.5 x 16.5 x 19.7 inches. That's like printing a small refrigerator. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C doesn't quite match up in size, but makes up for it with speed and efficiency. Reviewers love the Kobra 2 Max for its enormous build volume, making it perfect for larger projects. Moving on to brains over brawn, let's talk smart features. The Kobra 2 Max struts in with an app that lets you control everything from slicing to real-time video supervision. It's like having a butler for your printer. On the flip side, the Creality K1C brings AI to the game with 1 micrometer resolution AI LiDAR and an observant AI camera. Reviewers have highlighted the K1C's advanced AI features, which help in preventing print failures and ensuring high-quality prints. Ease of use. Because nobody likes a printer that's more complicated than assembling IKEA furniture. The Kobra 2 Max offers effortless auto-leveling and smart Z-axis compensation. One click and you're good to go. But hold on. The Creality K1C is here to make things even simpler. It's plug and play right out of the box, with auto-calibration that practically prints for you. Reviewers have praised both printers for their user-friendly features, but the K1C's ease of setup stands out. Extruders and cooling, the unsung heroes of 3D printing. The Kobra 2 Max has a direct extruder and a dual-motor, dual Z-axis motion structure that ensures smooth operation. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C ups the ante with a clog-free direct extruder and an upgraded cooling structure that sounds like it was designed by NASA. With 3 fans working in harmony, it's like having a mini wind tunnel in your printer. Reviewers appreciate the K1C's advanced cooling system for minimizing print defects. Finally, let's talk dollars and cents. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max will set you back $719, while the Creality K1C is a bit kinder to your wallet at $599. Reviewers have noted that both printers offer great value for their price, but the K1C's lower price point and impressive features make it a budget-friendly option. When it comes to customer service, Anycubic offers a 1-year warranty with lifetime tech support, which users found reassuring. Creality doesn't have specific details here, but hey, you can always rely on the good old internet forums, right? Overall, reviewers have praised the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max for its large build volume, smart app, and reliable performance, despite some minor issues with the LCD touchscreen and filament entanglement. On the other hand, the Creality K1C has been lauded for its speed, advanced AI features, and affordability, making it a hit among users looking to introduce 3D printing to their families. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max and the Creality K1C, duking it out in the ring of 3D printing glory. If you want speed and AI smarts, go for the Creality K1C. But if size and a smart app tickle your fancy, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is your match. Either way, you're getting a beast of a printer. Comment below which one you're rooting for, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, print smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.